What's up guys? So I'm finally back with the guys with another episode of the best Android apps for the month of December 2016. So get your phone ready and let's get started with today's video. The first app on my list is Wallpaper Modder. Have you ever found a cool wallpaper but the colors are all wrong? Wallpaper Modder is a simple app that allows you to customize any wallpaper. You can adjust the hue and saturation to get the perfect color. The app also allows you to tweak the brightness, contrast, and add blur to make it look exactly how you like it. You can also invert the colors for a drastic new look. And once you've done that, you can also save the image right into your gallery, or you can set that image directly as a wallpaper from the app. So if you want to customize a wallpaper to suit your setup, then definitely check out Wallpaper Modder. Moving on to the next one, it's Notegraphy. So Notegraphy is a unique app. Notegraphy is a typography app that is dedicated to send beautiful messages to your friends and not to customize a photo. In short, it allows you to add a text or an image and make it look awesome. The app is designed to send messages on social media networks, or if you want to update your status, you can do it with this app. All you have to do is type your text and choose a template out of 40 different ones. After that, Notegraphy will turn that simple text into a piece of art. The text can be sent to multiple social media websites with one tap, and you can even save the text in your phone's local storage in the form of an image. So if you have a really good Instagram account with all the codes, then you can definitely use this application. It's called as Notegraphy and it's free in the Google Play Store. Third app on my list is Lifehacks. So if you are looking for hacks that will keep your life on track, or maybe you have some extra time in your life, then Lifehack will be the perfect app for you. This app shows you a list of hacks from their collection which are all great. So there are different categories for this, like popular, funny, technology, etc. And trust me guys, every category has some really great and a lot of hacks. So every hack is in the form of an image, and if you can like them, you can save them, or you can directly share them. So a really great application. If you want, you can check it out from the Google Play Store. The link is in the description. Next up is Minimal UI. So this is by far one of the best super widget skin on the Play Store, at least for me. Minimal UI gives you more than 70 super widgets in an app. Do note that this app requires the Super Widget Pro to work. If you take a look at the widget, every widget has its own style and look minimal. To apply, just add a super widget on your home screen of any dimension and tap on it, and tap on the folder icon on the top and select the Minimal UI, and you will get all the widgets. From there, you can select any one and you are good to go. So I have to say again, every widget looks a lot minimal and I just use it on daily basis. Also, if you are looking for a minimal widget to suit your setup, then make sure that check out Minimal UI. This is the app for you. Talking about customization, the next app on my list is Urban Walls. So Urban Walls is a free wallpaper application which the name suggests, which gives you high quality wallpapers right on your phone. I have to say, mostly all wallpapers look great, and at least there are 60 wallpapers in the app. If you open any app, it will show you the wall in full screen mode, and from there, if you swipe up, you get the option to save, or you can add it as your favorite or directly apply it. So if you are facing some resolution problems, then you can directly save it on your phone and then apply the wallpaper. So if you are looking for a great alternative for backdrops or maybe Inswall, then check out Urban Walls. You will love it. Staying on the customization topic, next app is DrawerCon. So if you still use the app drawer icon to open up your app drawer, then you should take a look at DrawerCon. or drawer icon. This app gives you tons of awesome app drawer icons. If you take a look in the app, you will see there are different and variety of categories you can choose from, and the icons are also of high quality. So there are different categories like standard, superhero, villains, cars, games, etc. If you tap on any icon, you can see the preview of it. So to set this up, all you have to do is tap and hold on the app drawer icon and click on it, and then select the drawer com from there and select your desired icon. Also, do remember that this thing only works on custom launchers, so don't try it on maybe Google Now launcher and say hey, it's not working. Anyway, some great sets of icons for you, so if you want you can check it out. It's free on the Google Play Store. Next up is AmpMe. Have you ever done that thing where you are with your friends and you want to play music but you find yourself without any decent speaker, so you put your phone in class or do something different to make it more louder? Well, developers from AmpMe Inc. is offering an alternative. AmpMe is an app that allows you to create multi-speaker setup using your phone and add any devices nearby. You can sync whichever track you are playing with another device, whether that's your friend's phone or a spare tablet you have lying around, to play the music across multiple devices and boost the volume. Once you have installed the app, open it to find the main screen, which offers you two choices: start a new party or join the existing party. The app has to be installed on all the devices you want to use with in order to tracks to be played and sync. Once you and your friends have it on your phones or tablets, it's then just a case of one of you starting a party. Where do this, you have given a code, much like when you pair two phones via Bluetooth, which others can use to join your party too. So it works really well for me, and it makes your sound really more louder. So if you want something like this, then you can check out AmpMe. It's free on the Google Play Store. Eighth one on my list is puzzle alarm. Okay, so everyone needs a little push to wake up in the morning, especially in winters. So maybe you have set up an alarm and you just turn it off and go to sleep again. But don't worry, Puzzle Alarm Clock has your back. This app, as the name suggests, will give you random puzzles every morning and make sure that you are awake enough before turning it itself off. You can choose math, memory puzzle, or some pattern-based puzzles with 3 difficulty levels. The app has also QR code and NFC-based alarm disabling option, but make sure that you use them wisely. The app also allows you idle time to go to bed notification depending upon the wake up alarm clock you have set. Good for your health. The app is designed really neat and it is really good. You can definitely give this one a try. I will leave the link in the description. Next up is TextBand. So TextBand is a free app that allows you to set phrases for words. For example, when you want to send someone, say, your YouTube link, then you have to type the whole URL for it. But with TextBand, you can just write the YouTube and a pop-up will come showing you the URL that you have said, and you can directly send it to anyone. Quite handy, right? So by going into the app, you can set the phrases just type the shortcuts, enter the phrase, and that's it. You're good to go. You can also take a look at other options in the app like Smart Case, Exclude Application, Add Space After Expansion, and a lot more. So once you set everything up, just type the word and this thing works on top of every keyboard. Anyway, I find this app really handy and useful, and I want you all to also check it out. Next up is status. So let's say if you have a Samsung phone or maybe LG phone which have their own custom UI, but you really like stock Android and you just dig the whole UI, then status allows you to change your phone's notification bar, or let's say status bar, to make it look like stock Android. So all you have to do is install the app and you have to give it some permissions to be able to set it, and once done, you can just turn it on and boom, you will get a material design flat looking status bar. So it works on top of every application and also on your home screen, and that is really great. Plus, the main feature of this app is that it doesn't require root. That's great. Moving into the app, we can just see a lot of options like resource based colors, which will change the status bar color according to the application. You can change the default status bar color the way you want. You can also add a screen specific color notifications and tons of more things. You can also add different icons for different things, like you can change the battery icon if you want circle or maybe simple portrait one. You can also change Wi-Fi, cellular data icons if you want to. You can also set some applications, like you can set notifications for the application, and there are a lot of more things in the app. So if you want a really cool material design stock looking notification bar on your phone, then make sure that you check out status. So yeah everyone, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, just give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate that. Also, apologies for not uploading videos constantly on my YouTube channel. My exams are coming and I am really busy with schoolwork too, so it's a little bit hard to upload a video, but I'll try my best to get you a video every 4 weeks or 3 weeks maybe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, again, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will catch you all in my next one.